Hey guys, how are you today? So I just hope. Let me start again. Okay. I can't stand this fucking house. Like, I'm so serious. Oh, is it on?
It's recording.
Hey guys, I know. Hey guys, I hope you're all doing good during this quarantine. I thought I'd show you how to make this cranberry. Hey guys, I hope you're all doing good and staying safe. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a pomegranate margarita. It's something I kind of came up with, and it's really good, and you'll get super turned. So let's get to it. So first you're gonna need some tequila, of course. So I chose the Jose Cuervo. This is 100% agave, so you need to make sure it's 100% or else it's not real tequila. And then you need some Tripe Sec and some pomegranate juice. And don't judge, but just some Market Basket frozen limeade. Take a picture. This is kind of too big, but it doesn't really matter. So literally just take the whole bottle of tequila. This is 750 mils, by the way. So just literally dump the whole thing in here. Just like that. You're gonna take your Tripe Sec and put 2 cups of that. So I have a little measuring cup right here. So there's 1 cup. Alright, and that's 2. Then you're gonna take one of these and just dump the whole thing in there. If you really want to take the time and use real limes, you can do that, but ain't nobody got time for that. So just dump the whole thing in there. I promise you it's gonna taste just as good. But if you wanna, like I said, take the time, that's up to you. So then lastly, just gonna take half of this. And you don't really have to measure this, you can eyeball it, but just to be precise, I'm taking half, which is 8 ounces, or 1 cup. Then just dump that in there. It turns out a really nice, pretty color. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my bar spoon here and just give it a nice stir. See how easy it is? Already done. Okay. Oh, how could I forget? Alright, so I already had my mom pre-slice these limes, so it just adds a little kick, a little flavor. You can just add a handful in there, nothing too crazy. Then just make sure the top is on good so you don't spill it everywhere. Alright, serve it over some ice. I have my little martini glass, it should work good. Just garnish it with a little lime wedge. And I forgot to show this, but if you want, you can just take a lime wedge and you can just squeeze it around the rim and then just salt your rim if you like salt, but it doesn't really matter. Yeah, and that's it, it's done. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. As you can see, it's super easy to make, anybody can make it, and the whole family will love it. So stay safe and stay home. Cheers.